Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of Lacey by Envy in the color Sparkling Champagne. I love this color. I've reviewed a number of wigs in this color, so I'm not really going to go into very much detail here. If you want more information about this color specifically, please be sure to check out our color spotlight video for Sparkling Champagne. This Lacey wig is kind of cute, I will say. She's very short. She's got a lot of texture. Again, she's got a little bit of that sort of vintage vibe to her, but I kind of like it. You know, it's an interesting interpretation of this kind of short wavy cut trend. You can get a little bit of body out of her. You play with her a little bit. In fact, I want to fluff her up a little bit before I do my 360, because that's probably how I would wear her. It's just a little messy. This is an open capped wig, and so because of that you do have permatease. That's why I got a rooted color. So let me go ahead and do a 360 for you so you can see what Lacey looks like on all sides. Most Envy wigs fit a little bit on the small side for me. I have a large head, so I've been trying to make a point of that in all of these videos. But that aside, I find that because this is an open cap wig, it's quite comfortable on. I've had no real issues with it at all. I also really enjoy this hair texture. It's quite fun. The front on Lacey is 6 inches. The crown down is 6.75. The sides are 6.25. And then the nape is 3.75, so she's quite short back there, especially considering that she's curled, so it's going to be even shorter than what it's indicated in the measurements. I'm going to go ahead and take Lacey off for you now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Lacey has an open top. There's only a little bit of material between here and the wefts, and you can actually see all those wefts. Has some felt here at the front hairline, is open wefted in the back and sides, does not have an extended nape, but does have Velcro adjusters in the back with a fair amount of elastic. Very pretty texture in this wig, very relaxed. This one's really cute because you can fluff it up and get a lot of texture out of it. It's got a very pretty front. It's very feathered. It's very pretty. No lace front on this one. Again, I got a rooted color, so it wouldn't be quite so jarring. Yeah, very long hair and kind of wants to wing out a little bit. So I'm kind of reining it in here on the sides. So there you go. This one has been Lacey, and this is an Envy wig in the color Sparkling Champagne. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Hopefully you'll like them and subscribe, share with your friends, you know, all that good stuff. And until next time, I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.